Hi guys, good evening guys. Nandito na kami sa guys sa birthday celebration to our tawag anak ka ng ugangan diyan no. Ha? Oo. Birthday ng aking mother-in-law guys. So ito na guys, kompleto na silang lahat guys kasi yung nasa sa barangay Sagay yung ito lang yung hinihintay nila, so dumating na yung hinihintay nila guys. Ito na guys. So thank you so much for supporting us, my followers and viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much. Ito na guys, marami sila guys, silang lahat na magkapamilya guys. Nandito sila lahat guys. Marami guys. Marami sila guys. Hindi kasya sa tent guys. Hindi kasya sa tent guys kasi ang dami guys. Kaya nagabihan na yung nila guys, nagabihan na yung handaan nila, yung celebration kasi hinihintay yun nila yung isang anak na yung nasasagay. Kaya ngayon dumating na Wala guys, pasensya na kaya guys kasi madilim kasi yung ilaw lang 3, 4 lang yung ilaw guys, kaya hindi blurred yung kulay at yung kuha ko no. So thank you so much for supporting us guys, sa nag-like, nag-comment, nag-share at nag-follow sa aking page. Thank you so much for supporting us guys, for a good you are good followers. So thank you so much. Ito na guys, magkanta na sila guys, magkanta ng happy birthday sa mother-in-law ko guys, at saka yung sister ng aking asawa kasi yung birthday nila magkasabay yung birthday nila. Magkasabay yung birthday nila guys. So ngayon, magkanta na sila ng happy birthday guys. Look at guys. So look at guys, look at. Yung mother-in-law ko at saka yung sister ng aking asawa guys, kasi magkasabay yung birthday nila guys. Yung asawa ko guys, nakatalikod yung asawa ko guys. Ito sila lahat guys. Isa Pantalion family at Cueva family and Rosalihos family guys. And Orki family. So thank you so much. So bye bye and I love you all. God bless.